Hi everybody, Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Welcome to my channel. Gonna be doing another video. I'm working on a 10 by 20 canvas, so I don't think you can see the top of it very well, but you'll get most of it. I want to show you my flag. Now you know I always fiddle after the camera's off. My stripes did not stay in place, they kept moving. So I thought, what can I do to make this look? Because they kept moving and running into each other. So I decided to do a swipe, to swipe the stripes a little bit, and I think it turned out pretty well. And I was right, the blue did have some silicone in it, so it did run a little bit, but when it dried, I put the stars on. And honestly, I think it turned out pretty well. I like the swiped stripes. And I kind of like this, how it went off in there. It is abstract art, and I think this abstract flag turned out really well. So I hope you like it. If you're interested, all the details, how to get a hold of me, will be in the description box. So just let me know. Maybe right now I can turn this way to start. I'm working on this 10 by 20. Got my sides painted. I hope there's enough in here to cover this. This is Art Mine's Caramel. And I'm not sure about if I have enough. I always say that, but it always comes out that I do. So let's hope for the best. That's the end of it. See if we can get it spread out enough to cover without looking crappy. Shouldn't say that, I guess. Cronky, how's that? Is that better? Or having stuff in it. I don't know how it's going to turn out here. Might have to do something I wasn't going to do. Something in it right there. That off of there. I think I got it. Nope, there it is. There we go. All right, now I got to turn it this way. My hands and wiped off. And here we go. I will put on enough paint to cover it well. We'll see. I'll put on some extra paint so it'll cover it up. I think I need to clean all my bottles out. I'm going to have problems with all of them, I think. Got some red for some contrast. Bright red, brilliant red, actually. And then I love this color. It's brilliant yellow green. It looks really good for a pop. We have some copper. Let's see. It didn't come out. That's all gone. Copper didn't hurt my. What is this? The worn penny didn't come out very well, did it? Let's see. I think I'm going to use a little bit more red, just for the heck of it. Okay, I think I'm going to have to move this up a little bit more. Excuse me, I've had a cough lately. Gonna get my torch. I've got some air bubbles. Real quick. Might just have to blow the paint everywhere because that bottom didn't cover very well at all. Let's see what happens. Yep. I know right now I don't have enough paint on here. So, I think what I'll do is just add a bunch more paint and we'll see what we can do. We'll just go with whatever happens. That one is empty. Some red outside the lines here. All right, let's try this one more time. Right in the paint. Do it every time. Got a lot of red. I need to cover up that spot right there. Right again. Okay. Got a lot of red in here, but I like it. Let's see. Looks all right to me. See if we can move it around a little bit. Cover the edges a little bit more. I didn't have quite enough of the caramel. Let me see what I'm doing here so you can see. Tilting it a little bit. Get it over the edges. Didn't quite turn out a Dutch pour that I wanted. Should have had us a little bit more caramel for it to cover the base, but that's all right. I still like it. I hope you guys do too. Get my hands wiped off. Get rid of my hair dryer out of the way. Let's give it another torch, get rid of any air bubbles that we might have. If I can get my torch to work. There we go. All right. Not the Dutch pour I wanted, but I still like it. Here's a close-up for you if you can see it pretty well. There we are. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching today. This will be out Christmas Eve. So I hope you all have a good Christmas Eve, a good Christmas. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share with your family and friends. Give me a thumbs up. It helps with my placement with YouTube. I really appreciate it. And as always, as I say, please have a great day.